Rich Guzzo here with GolfAggressive.com, and today's focus is going to be on providing you with a simple yet highly effective step drill for distance control with your wedges. And we found that to be the key benefit to lowering your golf scores. So what I have here is 2 stations. In the setup that I will outline, it will be 9 stations, and it'll be from 20 yards to 100 yards. And really it's focusing on that distance control. So it could be whether you've hit a 300-yard drive and you've got 100 yards in and you want to capitalize on getting that up and down for birdie, or it could be you've hit it in the junk, you've pitched out to 80 yards and you want to get up and down for par. This is the zone that's going to be crucial to lowering your golf scores. So down below in the notes, I've got a link to download the worksheet, and you'll print that out and take it to the course. I've got 2 stations right here at 90 and 80, and behind the camera I've got 100 yards, and I've got my flag with my target. So best thing is to laser this off, that way you have exact measurements. I've got 10 balls on each station. Now what that's going to do is provide me a very good average on and assess my game at where it's at right now. The improvement component of this is a few things. One is you hear a lot of golfers, and elite golfers as well, they complain about their game. And what you'll find is they don't have, or they don't diverse a strategy in order to get better. So this step drill is, one, a plan, but it also, once you do it over once a week or 2 to 3 times a month, you progressively get better because you know your swing sequences in certain distances. So 10 balls per each target. You'll hit to a flag, and you're going to record the landing point for this assessment. You can do another assessment down the road that will measure rollout. A few things to note with that is you're going to try and get a replica of an actual green. I'm on the driving range here, so most of our targets are just placed on a lightly mown fairway. So I might go to the green to my left here and hit shots and look at the rollout and measure it that way. If you have a good mate, have him stand out by the flag and with 10 tees in his pocket, and each time the ball lands, mark it with a tee, and that will give you an exact measurement. Because this is the game. I mean, if we can knock it to 6-8 feet all the time within this range, this is where we're going to see your scores lower. So I've got the links down below for the worksheet. I'm going to map this out for you. 9 points, 10-yard increments, 10 balls per point. We're going to take your average, and then we're going to assess where you're at, and then every time you do this, we'll progressively see your proximity to the hole decrease. So this is the step drill. I look forward to seeing your results with this one, and hearing your comments down below, or even on our Facebook page, and seeing how this progresses with your golf game.